Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of account standard 11 part 2. Final account. Fifth chapter. Few illustration I taught from your previous video. This video also I want to explain few question from your textbook. Hard type of illustrations. Students, I want to tell you all the illustration as well as all the exercise question. It is not possible for me to say you one by one all, which is little hard from your illustration as well as the difficult and tough type of questions from your exercise that I will do practice. You make practice from your textbook all the illustration as well as the exercise. Page number 170 and illustration number 26. The posting I want to tell you, you follow it. The following is the trial balance of Dhaval as on 31st/3/15. 31st/3/15 means the year ending on 31st/3/15. That means the year started from 1/4/15 to 31st/3/15. The trial balance posting I am telling you. Before that, you have to mark it, the which amount you will write in inner column and which amount you will write in outer column. Posting, let me say, after that adjustment, it is with whom, that I will mark it. Gross profit is given. When the gross profit is given, that time you have to take the decision. Trading account already they have done, so you have to do the profit and loss account and balance sheets. But sometimes it may happen, though it is given the gross profit, but some of the adjustment it may affect in the trading account. If such type of adjustment is given, then you have to do the trading account also. If such type of adjustment is not given, which is not affecting in the trading account, then you can do the profit and loss account. Let us see. Gross profit, first we will write profit and loss account credit sides. Salary, profit and loss account debit sides. General expense, not general reserve. If it is a general reserve, then it is a liability. If it is a general expense, profit and loss account debit sides. Taxes and insurance, profit and loss account debit side. Salary debtors, assets. Closing stock is also assets. Bank overdraft, liabilities. Commission credit, profit and loss account credit. Advertisement expense, profit and loss account debit. Interest, profit and loss account debit. Furniture is your assets. Building is your assets. Motor car is your assets. Capital is your liabilities. Drawing less from capital. Bad debt, profit and loss account debit. Bad debt reserve, we will deduct from the TAT. TAT, TAT, I will tell you that posting when we will do, that time I will show you. Loan liability, creditors liability, bills receivable assets, bills payable liability, carriage outward profit and loss account debit, discount allow profit and loss account debit, discount received profit and loss account credit, general reserve liability, and cash balance assets. There the ninth adjustment it is given external, not a single one it is given the internal. The adjustment it is given salary outstanding 4,500 per month for 2 employees for 1 month. Salary outstanding 4,500 per month for 2 employee for 1 month. पर मंथ दोनों एम्प्लॉय का 4,500 बाकी है. तो हाउ मच सैलरी यू पेड? वी पेड द सैलरी 99,000. 99,000 सैलरी वी पेड एंड पर मंथ 4,500 सैलरी it is left. How much is 99,000? So it is given 4,500 per month for 2 employee for 1 month. There is something wrong in adjustment. It should be given that 4,500 per month for 1 employee. For 2 employees it is given 4,500 per month for 2 employee. Okay, that means it is understood that 4,500 सैलरी फॉर वन एम्प्लॉई, दोनों एम्प्लॉई का सैलरी होता है 4,500 प्लस 4,500 9,000, 1 मंथ 9,000 सैलरी लेफ्ट में, दैट मीन्स आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी इज ₹9,000. This adjustment is with salary, add with salary and liability. First effect, add with salary, this is here, and liabilities 9,000, unpaid salary 9,000. Second adjustment, 2,000 being insurance premium for the year ending 30th 9/2015. That I have to explain what is this. Your year ending is your year started from 1/4/15 to 31st 3/16. No, 1/4/14. 1/4/14 to 31st 3/15. This is your year ending. Well, this is your year for 12 months. 1 year. Your year started from April of 14 to March of 15. Insurance premium, you paid tax and insurance premium 12,000. It is given. Tax and insurance you paid of rupees 12,000. And adjustment it is given. Out of the 12,000, 2,000 is being insurance premium for the year ending 30th 9/2015. So how much you paid? 12,000. Out of that, 10,000 and 2,000 that I want to make different. Divide it. This 10,000 it is according to this year from April to March. But this 2,000 which year ends on 30th 9/15. Do you understand? Out of this 12,000, 10,000 is for this year, which is from April to March, and 2,000 which is from a year ending on 30th 9/15. But out of this 2,000, just you check it, how much date is, how many months it's crossing here, because your year ending on March, but this is on September, April, May, June, July, August, September. Well, 6 months already crossing. This 6 month which is coming, the according to your financial year 15 to 31st 3/16, ये साल का अंदर ये 6 मंथ आ जाता है. मतलब ये 2000 का अंदर 6 मंथ which is paid in advance, salary, in tax, insurance you paid in advance, not 2,000. Out of the 2,000 is for 6 months. Do you understand or not? Once again you try to understand. This 2,000, the year 30th 9/2015, the 2,000 is going to end on 30th 9/2015. मतलब 6 मंथ क्रॉस हो गया. 6 मंथ क्रॉस हो गया. Of 2,000 insurance tax and insurance premium, here you see the tax and insurance premium for 6 month it is 1,000. For whole the year it is 2,000. For 6 month it is 1,000. So tax and insurance it is 1,000, means 11,000, and paid in advance means it is assets, prepaid tax and insurance of rupees 1,000. Correct? Prepaid tax and insurance of rupees 1,000. Next you come to the next point. Commission 3,000 is receivable. How much commission you have received? You have received commission 15,000. Now still they are telling 3,000 is receivable. मतलब add with commission and assets. It is left to be received. Add with commission. देखो add with commissions. Commission के साथ add हुआ. And assets 3,000. Commission receivable of rupees 3,000. Here it is there. Next, it is coming to the next one. That is given. Calculate 10% interest on capital. First you come. After that, interest on drawing we will say. Calculate 10% interest on capital. Capital how much you are having? Capital you are having 2,38,000. 10% means 23,800. So add with capital and write profit loss account debit sides. Profit loss account debit side कोई जगह देखो interest on capital it is given 23,800. तो first effect add with capital. Second effect is a expense for that profit loss account debit sides. Next is coming the 12% interest on drawing. Add with interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is 10,000. 12% is coming 1,200. Add with interest on drawing, and it is a income, so it will come profit on credit sides. देखो by interest on drawing. By interest on drawing of rupees 1,200. So interest on capital, add with capital, write profit loss on debit side. Interest on drawing, add with drawing and write profit loss on credit sides. Calculate depreciation 5% on furniture, 10% on building and 20% on motor car. All three depreciation will be deducted from particular assets. First effect and second effect profit loss on debit side. जैसे 5% of furniture less from furniture, write profit loss on debit side. 10% of building less from building, write profit loss on debit side. And 20% of motor car less from motor car and write profit loss on debit sides. See it here. Furniture 80,000, 10% is 4,000 less from furniture. Building 3 lakh, 10% is 30,000, correct? And motor car 1 lakh, 20% is 20,000. So less from furniture, less from building, less from motor car. Now 4,000, 3,000 sorry 4,000, 30,000 और 20,000. 4,000, 30,000 और 20,000 सेकेंड एफेक्ट पॉइंट डेबिट साइड में आएगा. देखो फर्नीचर 4,000, बिल्डिंग 30,000 एंड मोटर कार 20,000, 54,000. अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट इज कमिंग. राइट ऑफ 10,000 एज बैड डेट फ्रॉम डेटर्स. डेटर्स how much is given? Debtors pura, but bad debt 10,000. Here you see, calculate write off 10,000 as bad debt from debtors. First, whatever the debtors is given, that bad debt amount you deduct 10,000. First effect. Second effect, it will come profit loss account debit sides. देखो ये टैट जो आपको बोला था ना, TAT टैट, बैड डेट ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस T, bad debt of adjustment A, add bad debt reserve of adjustment A and then bad debt reserve of trial balance. इसको बोलता है टैट. TAAT. T मतलब ट्रायल बैलेंस बैड डेट, A मतलब एडजस्टमेंट का बैड डेट, बैड डेट रिजर्व ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट देन बैड डेट रिजर्व ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस. तो फर्स्ट 3 को ऐड होगा, लास्ट को डिडक्ट होगा. TAA ऐड होगा एंड लास्ट T डिडक्ट होगा. तो दोनों बैड डेट एंड दोनों बैड डेट रिजर्व. दिस इज डेटर्स 20,000 माइनस 10,000 इज इक्वल टू 1,90,000. दिस इज ट्रायल बैलेंस का बैड डेट, सॉरी एडजस्टमेंट का बैड डेट. एडजस्टमेंट बैड डेट इज गिवन प्रोवाइडेड 5% बैड डेट रिजर्व. इसका ऊपर 5%, किसका ऊपर? 1,90,000 का ऊपर. 1,90,000 का ऊपर 5%, 9,500. That is second effect, it is added here 9,500 and you are getting 1,80,500. Next it is given the bad debt reserve which is trial balance of bad debt reserve 10,000 that you deducted and you have gone outside. And here adjustment it is given 2% discount reserve. Discount reserve 2% you have to calculate on this. So here you have to follow first bad debt, then bad reserve, then discount reserve. Order you have to follow. 2% of 1,80,500 coming 3,610 and you wrote it here, correct? 3,610. और डिस्काउंट अलाउ आपका ट्रायल बैलेंस में था, उसका साथ डिस्काउंट रिजर्व ऑन डेटर्स ऐड हो गया, बाहर 11,610 आउटसाइड किया. एंड ट्रांसफर 20,000 टू GR मतलब जॉइंट रिजर्व. जॉइंट रिजर्व 20,000 यहाँ लिखा है प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट साइड में. एंड सेकंड इफेक्ट लायबिलिटी कोई जगह होगा. देखो ये देखो जॉइंट रिजर्व करंट ईयर एडिशंस. पहले जॉइंट रिजर्व था 30,000, उसका साथ दिस ईयर ऐड हुआ 20,000, सो इट कम्स 50,000. I told you after doing this all, your next work is there, whether the amount which you wrote in the inner column, whether this all amount. यार प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में से शुरू हुआ था, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का जरूरत नहीं था. क्यों? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का कोई आइटम नहीं था. अभी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्लोज करो तो उसको आपको नेट प्रॉफिट आएगा 2,44,290. द अमाउंट विच यू रोट इन इनर कॉलम दैट ऑल हैज been transferred to the outer column after adding or after deducting. And 2,44,290 you added with the capital, interest on capital, net profit, then drawing and interest on drawing. It comes 4,94,890, and if you add, you will get 6,38,890. Here also 6,38,890. Like that, one by one illustration. All I will not say, but few you have to make practice. Up to 26th illustration I have done. 27th illustration you will try to do it, and next one more illustration from page number 177 of illustration number 28. Though it is little hard, that I will want to explain it. After that I will come back to the some exercise questions. Here first I want to tell you the posting. Here internal adjustment is given, that also you have to make do it. Prepare the final account of Nirmi Traders from the following trial balance as on 31st/3/2015 and adjustment. Capital, liability, drawings, less from capital, lantern building, assets, machinery, assets, furniture and fixture, assets, legal building, assets, internal adjustment is given. Sales, trading credit, purchase return, less from purchase, debtors, assets, 12% loan from Sajan, that is liability, internal adjustment is given. दोनों में internal adjustment है. Purchase, trading debit, sales return, less from sales, freight and octroi, this is freight and octroi, trading debit, sundry expense, profit and loss account debit, stationery printing, profit and loss account debit, इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट, बैड डेट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट, टैट में जाएगा, TAT, बैड रिजर्व वहाँ से डिडक्ट होगा, डिस्काउंट रिजर्व ऑन डेटर्स, और डिस्काउंट रिजर्व if it is given in the adjustment, that it will be deducted from that adjustment. Commission received, profit and loss account credit, good stock, this is opening stock 1/4 month of 1st April, so opening stock, trading account debit, salary and wages. If salary and wages is given, first salary, though together it is given. If salary and wages is given, then profit and loss account debit. If wages and salary is given, then trading account debit. कभी कभी wages and salary देगा, अलग अलग देगा तो wages जाएगा ट्रेडिंग में, सैलरी जाएगा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में, डेबिट में, दोनों ही. इफ दोनों को ज्वाइन करके देगा, सैलरी एंड वेजेस और वेजेस एंड सैलरी, पहले जिसको नाम है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. सैलरी एंड वेजेस प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट, वेजेस एंड सैलरी ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट. क्रेडिटर्स लायबिलिटी, डेट स्टॉक एसेट्स एंड बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट लायबिलिटीज. और इस साइड भी है, और भी है, कैश बैलेंस एसेट्स, carriage inward trading debit, carriage outward profit and loss account debit. Bills, first is assets, second is liability, this is called bills receivable, this is called bills payable, and discount allow profit and loss account debit side. ये जो डिस्काउंट अलाउ है उसका साथ इधर का कोई डिस्काउंट रिजर्व होगा वो ऐड होगा, बाद में दिस डिस्काउंट रिजर्व वहाँ से डिडक्ट होगा. नाउ एडजस्टमेंट. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ 31st/3/15 एज वैल्यूड ऑफ ₹41,000. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड एंड बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड्स. Trading account credit sides it is given, and balance sheet asset sides. देखो balance sheet asset sides 41,000. Fire occurred in the business on 31st January 15, due to which goods of ₹10,000 were destroyed and the insurance company accepted a claim of ₹7,000. सुन लो पहले, 10,000 का गुड्स बर्न हो गया, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी 7,000 पेमेंट दिया, तो 3,000 लॉस हुआ. गुड्स बर्न बाई फायर तो 10,000, इसका 3 जगह पे इफेक्ट होगा. और एक बार देखो, फायर ऑकर्ड इन द बिजनेस एज ऑन 31st January 15, ड्यू टू व्हिच द गुड्स ऑफ ₹10,000 वर destroyed and the insurance company accepted a claim of ₹7,000. First 10,000 you have to deduct from the purchase, and 7,000 you have to write in the balance sheet asset sides. So 10,000 you have to deduct from purchase and 7,000 you have to write balance sheet asset side. 10,000 you have to deduct from purchase. देखो परचेस से डिडक्ट हुआ, और बैलेंस शीट एसेट्स में 7,000 होगा. देखो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी अकाउंट 7,000, और डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू 10 - 7 3,000 इज योर लॉस. दैट यू हैव टू राइट प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट साइड यार, टू लॉस बाई फायर 3,000. दैट इज एक्चुअली 10,000 - 7,000. Out of the debtors, 5,000 are not recoverable, means bad debt. So first we have to deduct from the debtors. Debtors कहाँ है? देखो debtors कहाँ है? Yeah, 5,000. Deduct from the debtors and write profit and loss account debit sides. देखो profit and loss account debit side 15,000 मतलब TA मतलब adjustment का bad debt. Okay. Next is given that so that they are right. Okay. Provide bad debt reserve 10%. Bad debt reserve 10% मतलब किसका ऊपर? इसका ऊपर. 85,000 के ऊपर 10%. 8,500 डिडक्ट हुआ. Again it will be added 8,500 here. TAA. Next 14,000 you have to deduct. 14,000 कहाँ से आया? ये ट्रायल बैलेंस से आया. कोई जगह देखो बैड डेट रिजर्व ऑफ 14,000. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज गिवन डिस्काउंट रिजर्व 2% ऑन डेटर्स. अभी इसका जो आया 76,500 उसके ऊपर 2% 1530 डिडक्ट करना है. ये 1530 डिस्काउंट अलाउ का साथ ऐड करना है. ये देखो डिस्काउंट अलाउ 1000 था, बाद में डिस्काउंट रिजर्व ऑन डेटर्स एडजस्टमेंट का ऐड हुआ और ट्रायल बैलेंस का डिडक्ट हुआ. एडजस्टमेंट का ऐड होता है, ट्रायल बैलेंस का डिडक्ट होता है बाहर आउटसाइड. नेक्स्ट इज गिवन निर्मी विथड्रॉन गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 1000 फॉर पर्सनल यूज विच आर नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द बुक्स. गुड्स विथड्रॉन किया तो लेस फ्रॉम परचेस एंड ऐड विथ ड्रॉइंग मतलब गुड्स आर टेकन फॉर पर्सनल यूज बट नॉट रिकॉर्डेड. तो लेस फ्रॉम परचेस देखो परचेस का साथ लेस हुआ. ये जो लेस चल रहा है 10 + 1 11 लेस हुआ. लेस फ्रॉम परचेस एंड ऐड विथ ड्रॉइंग ड्रॉइंग का साथ ऐड हुआ. क्रेडिट परचेस 5,000 was not recorded. Add with purchase and add with creditors. 5,000 unrecorded purchase. Unrecorded purchase 5,000 and add with drawing. ड्राइंग का साथ कोई जगह ऐड होगा ही होगा. देखो कितना है 5,000 no sorry creditors. Add with creditors होगा. Add with purchase and add with creditors. Yeah 30 + 5. Calculate 10% depreciations on lantern building, 20% machinery and 5% of furniture fixture. ये मैं दूसरी बार नहीं बोलूँ. Already I told you. What you will do? You will deduct from respective assets first effect according to the percentage whatever it is given and second effect for debit side. कैसे होगा? लैंटर्न बिल्डिंग का ऊपर 10% माइनस करके बाहर लिख देना है, 20% मशीनरी का ऊपर बाहर लिख देना है एंड 5% फर्नीचर फिक्सचर. देखो यहाँ लैंटर्न बिल्डिंग 10% माइनस कर दिया, मशीनरी को 20% माइनस किया और फर्नीचर फिक्सचर को 5% माइनस किया. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट सेकेंड इफेक्ट फॉर्मूला डेबिट साइड में आएगा. कोई जगह यहाँ देखो डिप्रिसिएशन लैंटर्न बिल्डिंग मशीनरी फर्नीचर कुल मिलाकर अब अलग करके भी लिख सकता है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नेक्स्ट यू आर गेटिंग इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम इंक्लूड 1,200 for the next year. That means insurance premium include 1,200 for the next year. Insurance premium how much you paid? Let me see. Insurance premium ऐसे दोनों internal adjustment है. Yeah 14,200 that you posting you have done it here 14,200 but it is given the 1,200 is prepaid paid in advance. So minus करके 1,200 माइनस किया और फर्स्ट इफेक्ट सेकेंड इफेक्ट बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड्स. इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम 1,200. एक्सपेंस पेड इन एडवांस इज एसेट्स. एक्सपेंस लेफ्ट टू बी पेड इज लाइबिलिटी. एक्सपेंस पेड इन एडवांस इज एसेट्स. एक्सपेंस लेफ्ट टू बी पेड इज लाइबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट कमीशन ऑफ रुपीज 1,000 इज रिसीवेबल. कमीशन रिसीव किया 8,000 और 1,000 अभी भी लेने का बाकी है. इनकम लेने का बाकी है इज योर एसेट्स. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट ऐड विद दिस कमीशंस 9,000 एंड एसेट्स 1,000 में जाएगा. कमीशन रिसीवेबल 1,000. सो एडजस्टमेंट इंटरनल एडजस्टमेंट एवरीथिंग इज ओवर. बट अगेन यू आर हैविंग द टोटल एडजस्टमेंट 8 प्लस 2 more internal adjustment you are getting. This is not the internal adjustment. Wherever the date will be given that you don't think that internal adjustment, that depends on that what type of it is given. Leasehold building, you have taken a lease from 1/4/14 for 5 years. मतलब every year this amount 50,000 5 साल का अंदर this 50,000 balance should be 0. So leasehold building you are having 50,000 and it will work for the मतलब just like the depreciation for the fixed assets and divided by 5 मतलब every year 10,000. So 10,000 like the building, furniture, machinery, how you have deducted, like that you have to deduct for this year and you have to write in the profit and loss account debit side. देखो कोई जगह होगा leasehold building. Let's 50,000 less write up 1/5 1/5 मतलब divided by 5 10,000, so it become 40 and profit and loss account debit side में कोई जगह 10,000 होगा ही होगा. ये देखो तो write up leasehold building of rupees 10,000. Understands? One more internal adjustment is given in your textbook. 12% loan from Sajan. 12% loan from Sajan 30,000 का ऊपर 12% लोन, करेक्ट. 30,000 का 12% लोन होता है 3,600. लेकिन द लोन यू हैव टेकन फ्रॉम अक्टूबर, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू पे द इंटरेस्ट फॉर 6 months. क्यों? अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च. You have not taken the loan from April, you have taken the loan from October. So October to March you have to pay the interest on loan which is coming for 6 months. This 6 month interest on loan which you have to pay. So 3,600 पूरा साल का, 6 month it is coming 1,800. But before that you have to check whether interest on loan, whether you have paid or not anywhere. That you have to check. If you have paid the certain amount for interest on loan, that will be deducted. No, where it is paid. So 1,800 कोई जगह होगा देखो. To interest on loan 1,800. First effect and second effect add with loan or write separately. देखो 12% Sajan's loan. Add with loan or you can write separately. No more adjustment is there. 8 plus 2, 10 adjustment. 10 adjustment means 10 into 2, 20 effects already. Actually 21 effects you got it. One adjustment you had 3 effect. Now I told you after doing this all, immediately you don't close it, the trading account, because first you have to check the amount which you wrote in the inner column after deducting or after adding whether it has been transferred to the outer column or not. If it is not, then transfer it except capital. कैपिटल के साथ उसका प्रॉफिट और लॉस कुछ भी आएगा जो ऐड और लेस होगा. देखो इधर का ऐड करो तो इट कम 5,31,000. यहाँ भी 5,31,000. इफ यू डिडक्ट 1 2 3 4 you will get 3,12,000. that is your gross profit. And that gross profit you are transferred to the profit and loss account credit side 3,12,000. and if you add this you will get 3,21,000. 3,21,000. If you deduct, you will get net profit 1,65,920 if you deduct this all amount which is written in the outer column. So you are getting 1,65,920 that profit. If it is a profit, it will be added with the capital. If it is a loss, it will be deducted from the capital. If loss comes, it will come profit and loss account credit sides. This side loss comes. If net profit comes, it will come this side. Keep it in mind. If gross profit comes, it will come trading account debit side में. यहाँ gross profit आएगा. Gross loss होगा तो यहाँ आएगा. तो this side is the gross profit, this side is the gross loss. दोनों एक ही साथ नहीं आएगा, कोई एक आएगा. Profit and loss account, net profit will come this sides, net loss will come this sides. If net profit if it is coming, then net loss will not come. If net loss comes, then net profit will not come, any one will come. If net profit comes, it will be added with the capital. If net loss comes, it will be deducted from the capital. Capital is here, net profit added, and then you have deducted the drawing, and at last you wrote this side. And if you add it, you will get 5,44,720 in the liability side, as well as the asset side. Also, you will get 5,44,720. This is the main idea. After telling few illustrations from your textbook that you get it, and now next video I will show the practical sums 1 or 2 after doing from the exercise. Once again I want to tell you, students, this chapter make practice very well. Once if you watch this video, it will not enough for you. At least twice you watch, and all the illustrations one by one, all these accounts as well as the adjustment you try to understand. Any doubt, whatever it is coming in your mind, don't keep it. You tell us and clear your doubt, and as long as you will get interest, you will clear your doubt, you will get more interest to know it. Okay, hope you are understanding. Okay, bye, all the best.